Jenny, carry on.
$50 is the bid, asking 100. Let's go. 100 there, we give 100 now, 50. 150 there, we give 150 now, we give 150. 150. How about 100 and a quarter? 125. 125. 125. 125. Down there, we give 125. Now 50. 150. How about you? 150. 175. 175. We give 175. 175. Are you bidding, sir? 175. 175. We give 175. We give 150. 175. Last call. 175. Sold it to you. $150. Thank you for raising your hand to support.
Item number 47, pastel colors, powerful pinstriping here. Passionate, powerful pinstriping by our own Brushmasters president, Bob Bebonik. Bob's known for his lettering, Bob's known for his pinstriping, and the border of this piece is all hand lettered with very consistent lettering. All right, my Bob, there you go, Jenny, $100.
All right, a fine piece here. 100 there. 100 now 2. 100 down there. 2 to 2. 2 to 2. 2 to 2. 200. 200. How about 150? 150. 150 now 2. 2 to 2. We're gonna get 50. 250. 250. We're gonna get 2 to 2. We're gonna get 250. Go ahead. Be 250. 250. How about 225, sir? 225. 2 to 2. We're gonna get 25. 5. We're gonna get 2 to 2. Okay.
I sense a little reservation here. This is the very thing we talked about earlier, right? It's the comfort zone, it's the budget zone. I don't know. The hand all of a sudden weighs 500 pounds. Let's lighten your load by not letting you know you're helping moms and dads, you're helping families that you've never met, right? And they're in trouble. So here we are. We're helping. We're feeling good, and we're doing good. And you know what? It just takes that little bit of a nudge. So there you go.
$200 is bid. 225. 2 to 2. We get 25. 225 for 5. We get 25 for 5. We get 2 to 2. We get 25 for 5. We get 225 going once. 225 going twice. Third and final call. Thanks for what you did do. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so $200.
Item number 166, you got the rat trim down here, you've got Ford, you got the classic Ford, and you've got no tools loan. No tools loan. Any of us that have let those snap-ons go off the door and they never come back, it's learning by learning. And you got pinstriping down here too, all done by Brian Rogers out of Kankakee. $100, Jenny O. There's 200.
200 is bid, asking 300. 200, 300. 300 there, we get 300 now, we get 300. 300. How about 250? We go. 225. Last call. 225. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Sold. $200. Thank you so much.
Item number 300. Mopar is on the skull, this angry skull at the bottom. You got 2 colors of pinstriping. Philip Casey, all the way from Ohio.